Welcome to the Vital PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a backup in the Vital PBX phone system. To start, log in to Vital PBX. Select the admin icon, then click on the Tools tab. After that, press Backup and Restore from the drop-down menu. Type in a name to describe this backup. If you have a cron profile, you can set this backup to run automatically by selecting the cron profile from the drop-down menu. Cron profiles are used to schedule backups to be run periodically at fixed times, dates, or intervals. If you do not have a cron profile made, the steps to create one will be shown at the end of this video. Enter a comment that will be added to this backup. Select the number of backup copies to be stored. The oldest copy will be deleted once the limit's reached. In our example, we'll set it to 5. Set up the add-ons option if you want to select the add-ons the database will be backed up to. Select what you want to include in the backup. Press the Save button when you're done. To navigate to your backup, select the icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the backup you created. You can modify your backup settings here. Press the Run Backup Now button if you want to run the backup immediately. You can see in your backups list that a backup has been created. The actions you could take include downloading, restoring from, or deleting your backup. Next, we'll show you how to create a cron profile in Vital PBX, which is optional for when you want to cause a backup to run automatically. Select the PBX icon, then click on the Tools tab. After that, press Cron Profiles from the drop-down menu. Type in a short description to identify this cron profile. If you want, select a template to make setting up a cron profile easier and faster. Click on Save when you're done. Then reload Vital PBX to finalize your changes. Congratulations! You've successfully created a backup in the Vital PBX phone system. Check back for more useful content as we post videos and tutorials related to Vital PBX on a regular basis.